Now the Chord Engine 2.0 is very simple to use and operate. To play chords with a single note, all we have to do is be sure a note is selected on the upper keyboard to activate chord mode. Now that's this keyboard right here. Now by selecting a note on the upper keyboard here, it allows you to edit the chord that is programmed onto that note. Now you can play up to 12 different chords with one key. Now these one note chords start at C3 or middle C on your MIDI keyboard, and they end at B3, which is represented here in the upper keyboard. Now each key on the virtual keyboard is directly linked to the keys on your MIDI keyboard from C3 to B3. So selecting say the F note here will bring up the chord you have programmed on the F note of your MIDI keyboard. Okay, now you can then use the bottom keyboard here to program or edit the chord that is programmed onto that key. Now each chord can have its own playing style and strum. Now as you can see, each key has a property tab. Now when a tab is clicked, it will bring up the timing, velocity, and release properties of that note. Now these are adjusted here. Now here we have the link icon, which creates unified strums and adjusts all the properties for a chord at once. So if we select the C3 key and then hit the link icon, we can adjust the offset property to create a unified or perfect strum. All right, now the higher we go, the slower the strum. We can do the same with the velocity and release properties. Okay, now when the link icon is activated, every note in the selected chord will adjust at once. So if you want to adjust the complete velocity of any of the chords, select the link icon, then adjust the velocity. It'll all change at once. Same with the release, but with the offset, it will create a unified or perfect strum. Okay, now we can also change the direction of the strum using the knob at the bottom of the plugin here. Now we can strum the chords up or down. Now there's also a key switch here, allowing you to switch between the strumming up or down on the fly as you play. Okay, so by clicking this button, we can use the key trigger at B0 to switch between strumming the chord up or strumming the chord down. Okay, this can have a nice effect as you play. Now you simply press and hold the key trigger B0 before you play the chord. All right, you're going to press and hold it. The key trigger will be highlighted in red on the Contact virtual keyboard at the bottom here.